How we doing? Oh, hey, how you doing, officer?
How you been?
You a sergeant now, or?
Been for a few years.
Okay, Sergeant. There's Sergeant Rugi. I hope he's not upset with me for those videos I made. We're here with the warrant officer here. Might have a warrant, guys. Might have a warrant. They might arrest me. Could be here to arrest me. Like and subscribe. Here at Freedom News Now, I'm your host, Justin Sane. Out here battling, in battle. Got all the homeless. As soon as I pulled in, the same homeless guy that was over there that took a dookie yesterday around the corner on the sidewalk, just upwind from me. He was like right there. As soon as I was pulling in, he was right there roaming around again. There's been all kinds of smash and grabs going on here in Jackson, so I don't leave anything in my vehicle because I'm thinking they're going to do a smash and grab. Then there's another homeless wandering by. I mean, you can't spin around in a circle and throw a stone without hitting a homeless or an illegal down here. It's bad in Jackson, Michigan. It's that way all over Michigan, though. It's not just Jackson, Michigan. It was that way in Battle Creek, Michigan, Calhoun County. That way in Lansing, Michigan. It was that way in Adrian, Michigan, and Lenawee County. Check out this house here. It's got all that nice ivy all over it, that brick. That's pretty cool. That's kind of like, that's what I'm looking at. This cool building here. Maybe you guys would rather look at that. You guys might rather look at that. We're 100-0, undefeated on First Amendment audits. Never been defeated. Oh, here comes Al Brandt. Got Al Brandt right here walking in. Jackson County Bar Association members. They're all starting to come in now. That's where the employee entrance is down here. The employee entrance is down here where that white county truck pulled to block it off. Here's a prosecutor's dog. Or I think it is. Here's a prosecutor's dog. Bringing him right over to pee right next to me. That's how much they like my First Amendment rights. That's what they say to me. They bring their damn dog out here to piss right next to me. That's the prosecutor's dog right there. What the hell, guys? This obese Karen here. Why isn't she wearing a mask? It's Sharia law now. Cover that face up. She brought out her dog out here to freaking piss right next to me. I mean, nothing's ever ceases to amaze me out here what these court workers will do to piss all over your First Amendment rights. Bring the prosecutor's dog out here. It's the prosecutor's office dog. It's like their therapy dog because they're all nuts. They're all loony. They all completely lost their mind, just like Judge Rapley. Allegedly completely lost her mind. Her mind is shot, so she's out on leave right now for months and months. It's like we're still paying for that as taxpayers. What's she doing? Man, this world is something else. This world is something else. Bringing the prosecutor's dog out here. I don't know, that's probably the victim rights coordinator. Cleaning up dog crap. Look, now he's looking. She's telling one of the judge's bailiffs. Now she's telling the judge's bailiff. He's looking down here. These are cowards, guys. These are cowards. Jackson County Courthouse. They despise freedom, despise liberty. I don't understand why that lady's not covering her face down there. It's a new rule of law. It's Sharia law. She needs to cover that face up. We don't want to see her face in public. Not by my doing. Not by my doing. These female judges completely destroyed rule of law in America. These female judges, you know, they're the ones that destroyed rule of law. They aided the invasion. They aided the invasion, you know, these judges like Allison Bates, judges like Michael Claren, they aided the invasion to replace you. And when the American citizen stands up and reports it, you know what they do? They send their hired guns after you to arrest you and take your rights away from you so you can't defend yourself. And then they flood your community on top of that with 10,000. Got more women with their faces exposed. Why aren't these women covering their faces up? It's Sharia law now. It's a new rule of law. Sharia law. They need to wear full hijabs, full burqas. Cover up. Cover up. They better never speak to a man unless spoken to first. If they want to speak to a man, they better write it down on a piece of paper and show it to them. We're having fun here today. We're having fun. We're having a great time. We're having a great time, having a great time. Occasionally a little bit of satire here and there. We're the #1 free speech channel, all about free speech here. Free press, free speech rights, guerrilla journalist, 1A auditor, First Amendment audits, 1A audits, audit, cops, police. This undercover here, full of undercover units, That's all there are down here. 3 black undercover units, 1 Dodge Charger, two black Chevy, looks like Malibus. Running their undercovers. There's 1 undercover. There's another undercover unit. There's the other one right here. That's the other undercover. 3 undercover units. That's what they're running heavy, these undercovers, to spy on these Americans. Spy on all the Americans so they can come and replace you after the judges aid and abet 10,000 illegals that come into your community. That's the American way, guys. It's over. We're out here LARPing around today. LARPing, guys, talking about how it's over. It's finished. Popping a couple red pills out here with some base chads. Out here exercising our 1A rights, our 2A rights, talking about how it's over. Out here LARPing around. How we doing? Oh, hey, how you doing, officer?
How you been?
You a sergeant now, or?
Been for a few years.
Okay, Sergeant. There's Sergeant Rugi. I hope he's not upset with me for those videos I made.
No, we're all good.
Okay, we're all good here too. Okay, we're good here too. So.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Take care.
Keep it up. How about that, guys? How about that? Is that good or what, guys? Is that good or what, guys? Sergeant Rugi? It's gonna get hot here for a minute. It's gonna get hot. We're out here in the sun here for a minute. I don't know how long we're gonna last here for, but was that good or what? We had Sergeant Rugi. You guys saw those viral videos where I asked him about the lawsuit videos. The cops, police, dirty cops get sued. That was him right there. Now he's a sergeant. We're got that small blonde cop. She's an undercover spy cop now. And he was with those other gay cops. Sukovich, a super gay cop for the sheriff department. Guess he's super gay. And Sam Sukovich, a super gay cop for the Jackson County Sheriff Department. I don't know, some cops, that's what they're coming behind the scenes telling me. More sirens. JCA. Oh, big shot. Oh, I hope he might have a warrant for me, guys. Warrant officer. Let me, can I talk to you for a sec? I can't hardly. I got earplugs in, it's so loud out here. I've been telling these guys I got a warrant, so you're a warrant officer, so guys, we're here with the warrant officer here. Might have a warrant, guys, might have a warrant. They might arrest me. Could be here to arrest me. Like and subscribe. I gotta give him the fist. See?
Take it easy, man.
That's it. Okay, I guess no warrants, guys. We're good to go. No warrants. You saw it here. I just fist bumped a warrant officer, so hey. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Hey, we saw Rugi too.
Yeah.
Rugi came by and him and I kind of, he was like, you don't have no problem. I'm like, I don't have no problems either, man. It's all good.
Yep.
We're just out enjoying the day.
Yep.
More city cops, more city cops. Okay, guys, you saw it there, fist bumping a warrant officer, guys. Saw it here first at Freedom News Now. Guess I don't have any warrants. Not yet. Not yet, anyway. Give it time.